Good day, Jake.
Hey, Bad Bill.
You want to go to the town of dirt and do mean things? Yes, I would. Let's go. Huh? What's this?
It's a record player.
What is it, Nate?
This is a song I used to listen to a lot when I was a little itty-bitty rattlesnake.
Really?
Yes.
The Rattlesnake
Jake.
I used to love this song. Well, play it.
Right then I will.
You put your rattle in, you put your rattle out, you put your rattle in, and you shake it all about. You do the Rattlesnake Jake and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Wow. Wow. Perfect. I know just what to do. What, Jake? Hey, Reens.
Hey, Ringo.
How's everyone doing today?
Fine.
Yeah, just fine. Yeah, we're doing pretty fine. Good. I love being the sheriff. It's so fun. But it's kind of hard. But it's still fun.
You know what, Ringo? I'm so fine I could feel like dancing. Oh, we'll get you dancing, all right. Ha ha ha. Play it now.
You put your rattle,
Huh?
you put your rattle out, you put your rattle in, and you shake it all about. You do the Rattlesnake Jake and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. That was awkward.
Play it again, play it again.
Rattle in, you put your rattle out, you put
What's
your
going
rattle
on?
in, and you shake it all
I
about.
don't
You do the
know.
Rattlesnake Jake and you turn yourself around.
This is the catchiest song I've ever heard.
That's what it's all about. Huh? Bad Bill, Jake,
Yes.
Sheriff. Was you playing that?
Yes.
We're gonna play it for so long, you're gonna dance forever and ever. Not if I can help it. Play it now. Rattle,
How?
you put your rattle rattle in, and you shake it all about. You do the Rattlesnake Jake and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all
Bill,
about.
make them dance.
That's what it's all about. Beans, I got an idea.
Hurry,
He's getting away. Come back.
ha ha.
Hey, give that back.
Mm-hmm.
Aha, that was my idea. Jake, run! I'll get you next time. Thanks, Beans.
You're welcome, Ringo.
Thanks for saving us, Rango.